Chevrolet's MyLink infotainment system has been a central feature in millions of vehicles since 2011. While newer models now use advanced systems, understanding MyLink remains crucial for many drivers. While MyLink is being replaced by newer systems like Infotainment 3 Plus in 2020 and later models, millions of vehicles still rely on MyLink technology. This makes reset knowledge essential for troubleshooting. You might need to reset your MyLink system when experiencing several common issues. The most frequent problem is a frozen or unresponsive touchscreen that won't respond to touch inputs. Bluetooth connectivity problems are another common issue requiring a reset. This includes devices that won't pair, frequent disconnections, or audio that won't play through connected phones. Audio system malfunctions and navigation errors are also common reasons to reset MyLink. These can include radio stations not working, media playback issues, or GPS showing incorrect locations. A reset can resolve software glitches and restore system stability by clearing temporary files and refreshing system processes. Understanding when and how to reset your MyLink system can save time and avoid unnecessary service visits. The most common way to reset your MyLink system is with a soft reset. This method preserves your settings while clearing temporary issues. First, locate the power button on your MyLink system. Press and hold this button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system completely shuts down. After the system shuts down completely, press the power button again to restart. Allow 2 to 3 minutes for the system to fully initialize and return to normal operation. If a soft reset doesn't solve the problem, you may need to perform a factory reset. This will erase all your personal settings and data. For a factory reset, you'll need to navigate through the MyLink menu system. Start by accessing the Settings menu from your home screen. Navigate to Settings, then System. Then select Reset to Factory Settings. The system will ask you to confirm this action since it will erase all personal data. Confirm the reset when prompted. The system will restart automatically and return to its original factory state with all settings cleared. If your MyLink system is completely unresponsive and won't react to button presses, you'll need to use the battery disconnect method. This method should only be used when the system is completely frozen. Start by turning off your vehicle completely and removing the key or disabling push-button start. Turn off the vehicle and wait 2 minutes. Then carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal for 30 seconds. This completely resets the electrical system. After reconnecting the battery and restarting your vehicle, the MyLink system should boot up fresh. This method resolves the most stubborn system freezes, but requires reconfiguring all your settings.